Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, a binary puzzle, in additional of today's newspaper on Friday, March the 22nd, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. Two puzzles remain, the Jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars, and this one you are interested, the binary puzzle number. This will be number 82. Let me see. 3, 6. 2, 3, 6. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot. 17 printed digits. The hard ones has 12, 13, maybe 14. This one has 17. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8. Binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row there are always 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes in O. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes in O. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then, let me see. I cannot place, we have here 3 ones, I cannot place number 4 there, the 4th one. Otherwise we have 3 O's in a row in this first row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. 4 O's we have here in this column, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Then double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Well. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Finish in 3 minutes exactly. We solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. You think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file. You can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. Yes, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.